This is the elevator at Macy's, former Kaufman's. Here at Roosevelt Field Garden City, New York, which used to be former Kaufman, Stearns, Mays, Famous Bar, or something. These buttons don't hold up that great. They always don't want to hold up that great. They always do not want to do it. These are former Otis elevators, but they've been modernized or replaced by Westinghouse. This got the old keyhole right over here I told you about. See that? At least the EPCO button works. Keep going around with me. Because you're always trying to make sure that you gain to it. There's the directory. Wait, I heard the elevator coming. Wait, go close by and listen. It's still up there. What? Right there. You want to keep the call button to go up? You want to keep the call button to go down? Why don't you go up? Okay. These buttons don't hold up that great. Oh, it's here. Watch it goes up. So you start by going down to the B. We'll run. Start by going down to the B. Door close button works. You like that? Oh, indicator burned out. What just happened? It stopped for a moment. Stopping on one, stopping on B. Why we're stopping? You guys going down?
No. No?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You guys going down? Lower level?
Yes. Thank you.
What are those buttons? Yeah, it's got one of those buttons. Lower level.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now we'll go up to 1. Door close on the fall kind of usually works. It's got the signal button, right? See that? It's got the relay. Is that the interlock up there? I can't figure out what there is in interlock. Bang, that's it.